Welcome back, my dear future stars of Max and my viewers and my subscribers. Now, I would like to thank my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. Please watch this video without skipping any part. Let's continue our chapter Integers exercise 1.2. First question is represent the following additions on a number line. Okay, first bit in it is 5 plus 7. So we will draw a number line. Question is 5 plus 7. That is we have to add 7 in 5. So here first number is what, students? It is 5. And what we have to do? We have to add 7. So one thing you have to remember, whenever we are adding, we have to move towards right side. Okay, when we are adding. Okay, when there is a plus, we will move on right side. That is, we jump on right side. Okay, then if we have to subtract, then we will move on left side. Okay, when we are subtracting, we will jump at left side. Okay, now we have to add. So first number what we have, 5. So on number line we can start writing from 5. Okay, since we are adding. So on right side numbers should be there. So I'll write numbers from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and so on. Now how many times I have to jump? I have to jump 7 times from 5. So 1, we are jumping like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So on 7 what number we got? We got 12. So 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Okay, students? Question is 5 plus 2. Again we have to add. So we'll get numbers on right side. Okay. So when we'll start from 5 onwards. Since first number is 5, I am writing from 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to start from 5. How many times I have to jump? I have to jump 2 times. So on the right side, 1. Since we are adding, we will move on right side. Okay, 2 times. So what do we get? 7. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Now next bit is 5 plus minus 2. Whenever we get two signs like this, we have to open the bracket first. That is, we have to multiply the two signs. Okay. So this we can write as 5 plus into minus is minus. This we have learned in previous videos. Okay. Whenever we have different sign, we get answer minus. If we have two same signs, then we will get plus. Okay. In that way you can remember this. So plus into minus is minus. Next number is 2. So again we have to start numbers from 5. But what we have to do? We have to subtract. So where we should get the numbers? We should have the numbers on left side. So I'll write numbers from here. 5. That is when numbers we will get less this side on the left side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Now what I have to do? I have to start from 5. What I have to do? We have to subtract 2. So we will move on left side. Okay, like this. You have to draw this arrow mark compulsorily. Okay, so this is minus 1. This is minus 2. So what we got? 3. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay. Now next question is, again we have plus into minus. So I'll open the bracket first and then we'll do the sum. 5 plus into minus is minus. That is, two different signs are there. So we'll get minus here. Then 7. Now again we have to subtract. That is, we have to, what we must have numbers on the left side of 5. So I'll start writing 5 from here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. After 0 we will have negative numbers. -1, -2, -3, and so on. So what we have to do now? We have to move left side. How many times we have to jump? 7 times from 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what do we get here? -2. So 5 minus 7 is equal to -2. Okay students, is it clear? Now we will do the next sum. Question is, compute the following. First bit in it is 7 plus 4. This everyone can do. That is, we have to keep 7 in mind and take out 4 fingers. Then count 8, 9, 10, 11. This is very easy. Now the next question is 8 plus minus 3. So we should not have two signs at a time. There is a bracket in between. So what we have to do? We have to remove this bracket. So what is that? Plus into minus. That is, if we have two different signs, we get minus. Then we will have 3 here. Now what we have to do? 8 minus 3. That is, whatever number is big, we will write that number above. Okay. Now the small number, including sign, we should write here. And what we have to do? We have to check both the signs. Plus, minus. So plus into minus is minus. That is, different signs are there. So we get minus. That is, we have to subtract these two numbers. So 8 minus 3 is what, students? 5. Now what you have to remember? You have to place the sign here. What sign we'll get? We'll get the sign of a bigger number in the answer. Okay. Always in the answer we should keep the sign of big number. Among these two, whatever number is big, that sign we have to write here in the answer. Okay students. So we got plus 5 here. Now 11 plus 3, that is 3 fingers out. After 11, 12, 13, 14. This is very easy. Now next question is 14 plus minus 6. So first we have to open the brackets. 14 plus into minus is minus 6. So 14 is big, we will write 14 above, then minus 6 below. That is, plus into minus, minus. We have to subtract. In the answer we will write the sign of big number. Now subtract. 14 minus 6. We can't subtract 6 from 4. So we will borrow from here. So this will become 0. This will become 14. So 14 minus 6 is, so 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay, so the answer is plus 8. Now again, we have two signs at a time. So we will multiply that. Plus into minus is minus 7. So 9 minus 7, everyone knows. After 7, 8, 9. So we get 2 here. Next 14 plus into minus minus 10. So 14 minus 10 is 4. Now 13 plus into minus minus 15. So in this we have to write the big number first along with sign. Okay, don't forget to write the sign here. Minus 15, then 13. We don't have a sign here. That means we will have a plus here. So here we get plus. So minus into plus is minus. That is, we have to subtract these two numbers. Before subtracting, we will place the sign here of big number. So big number is 15. So we will get in answer minus sign here. Now 15 minus 13 is 2. After 13, 14, 15. So 2. So here the answer is minus 2. Now 4 plus into minus is minus. 4. 4 minus 4, same numbers we are subtracting. So answer will be 0. Then here 10 plus into minus is minus 2. 10 minus 2, what we have? We get 8. The next question is 100 plus minus 80. So we will first open the brackets. 100 plus into minus is minus 80. So big number we should write above, small number below. Don't write like this. Okay student, this will be wrong. What we have to do, first write properly. Okay. Then the next number we should copy from ones place. Okay. Ones, tens. Now we will place the signs. Plus, before 80 we have minus. So I wrote minus. Plus into minus is minus. In answer what we will get? The sign of big number. So big number is 100. So we will get in answer plus. Now we will subtract 0 minus 0, 0. From 0 we cannot take out 8. So we will take borrow from beside number. So this will become 0. This will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. So our actual answer for this is plus 20. Okay, this will be wrong. Don't write like this. Okay, now the next question is 225 plus minus 145. So again we will open the brackets first. 225 plus into minus 145. Now we will write the numbers. 2, 2, 5. Now the next number we should copy from ones place onwards. 5, 4, 1. Here minus, here plus. So we have to subtract. In answer always we will get the sign of big number. That is the number which we wrote above. Okay. Now 5 minus 5 is 0. 2 minus 4 we can't subtract 4 from 2. So it will go beside and ask 1 from his beside neighbor. So this will give 1 and it get reduced by 1. Okay, so this 2 is reduced by to 1. So now 12 minus 4 is 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is 80. Okay. Now the next question is minus. Here we have no sign here. That is we have plus here. Plus into minus is minus 5. Plus 7. So among these two which is big? 7 is big. So with sign we will write 7 above. Then along with sign we will write the small number below. We have to subtract since two signs are different. Now in answer we will place the sign of big number. 7 minus 5. What we get? 2. Okay, so the answer is plus 2. Now the next question is minus 15 minus 1. So we will remove the brackets first. Plus into minus, minus 15. Minus into plus, minus 1. So among these two numbers, 15 is big. So we will write 15 first. Then minus 1 below. So 1 will be in ones place, not here. We should write in ones place. Now here we got two same signs. That is minus into minus. We have to add. Okay, that is minus into minus is plus. Since we got two same signs, what we have to do? We have to add. But in answer, remember that we have to keep the sign of big number. So big number is 15. Its sign is minus. So we'll write minus here. Okay. Now we will add 5 plus 1, 6, 1. So the answer is minus 16. Okay. Now the next question is minus 5 plus into minus minus 3. Again, big number is minus 5, so we'll write minus 5 above. Small number is minus 3, we'll write here. Okay, now minus into minus is plus. So what we have to do? We have to add. In answer, we have to write with sign, big number sign. That is 5 is big, its sign is minus. So we'll write minus here. Then what we have to do? We have to add. So we'll add 5 plus 3. 8. So the answer is minus 8. Okay students, here when I am telling big number, don't see the sign, just among these two numbers which number is big, that you have to see while we are adding and subtracting. Actually -3 will be big and -5 will be small, but when we are adding or subtracting, we will neglect the sign and write the big number above and the below small number below. Okay students, is it clear to you all now?